Nate called. He wants to make a deal on the rest of those AKs.
Russell knows nobody will touch him. 10 grand for all 36.
Shit. Those guns are worth 10 times that.
All right, set it up. Me and Ope will make the run.
You can't go without me. I won't trust you.
You okay tying up this loose end?
You know, you don't have to ask me that.
All right.
Welcome home.
Welcome back, bro.
Welcome home.
Look who's here.
Well, Fetch trashed the clubhouse, but search turned up nothing. We got the guns out.
Oh, wait a minute. Jackie boy got all the guns out.
Good. ATF's got shit. It's all smoke.
Yeah, they're onto the oil barrels.
Yeah, well, we'll just have to find a smarter way to get the guns in is all. By the time the warehouse is rebuilt, will be a distant memory for the ATF.
Mom home?
She wouldn't let me post bail.
She is pissed.
Yeah, that she is.
Well, we're handling Meineke and his crew. Piney set up a meet for tomorrow. We're gonna clean this up.
You know what? I'm tired, and my head hurts. And you'll handle it. I'm just gonna crash here tonight.
Talk in the daylight.
In the daylight.